Welcome to Pimp My Ride. This is our new rental for the week. Rolling on some 15s. Got that trunk space. You're probably kind of jealous. It is a Pugo, maybe? It is 9/11 on July 21st, and this thing is here. We did not put that mark there. We're on the road. Flo, tell people what we're doing today. What are we doing? 2 waterfalls today, and snowmobiling. And a possible volcano. Whoa. It's an adventurous day. Who needs a real map when you got Google Maps? We're about to go under it, like these people.
Ég aldrei minni skikkan legu. Ég veit að kemur betra á vegu. Sýst allt hnattræna legu. Hún ekki voru á vegu. En hey, 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 hvað ætlar þú að gera í því? Hey, 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 hvað ætlar þú að gera í því? Ég gerum bara eitthvað gott og gerum það saman. Mér alveg sama hvað bara það gaman. Svífum saman eins og poppis á hlífinni. Brotlendur þegar hún týnist í hlífinni. Fljúum saman eins og dúmba á eyrunum. Gerum eitthvað gott sem fólk fara að heyra Gerum eitthvað gott sem fólk fara að heyra Gerum eitthvað gott sem fólk fara að heyra Dansum eins og hálfið dag Miklu betra að missa sig en missa það Hristum okkur sig í takt
Just got the best drone shots. So pumped. 10 minutes down the road, we found another waterfall. And we can get to the top if we go up these stairs.
Skráingar aðtíð og sendir Ég veit að kemur heim sendir En það margt sem bendir
You can do it! You can do it!
Hey, 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 hvað ætlar þú að gera í því? Hey, 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 hvað ætlar þú að gera í því? Ég gerum bara eitthvað gott og gerum það saman Mér alveg sama hvað bara það gaman Svífum saman eins og poppis á hlífinni Brotlendur þegar hún týnist í hlífinni Fljúum saman eins og dúmba á eyrunum Gerum eitthvað gott sem fólk fara að heyra
More stairs.
Gerum eitthvað gott sem fólk fara að heyra Gerum eitthvað gott sem fólk fara að heyra Dansum eins og hálfið dag Miklu betra að missa sig en missa það Hristum okkur sig í takt Og allir tínum kúlinu þá sorry með það
See it, the worst is over. The monsters in my head are scared of love. Finding people, listen up. It's never too late to change your love.
It is day 2 in Iceland. We just stopped to see this rock formation right there. We're driving to go to a Zodiac boat. It's about 2.5 hours away. Any words?
No, not right now.
Ef að þú vilt dansa eins og drottningin í draginum máttu það Ef að þú vilt dansa eins og fiðlarinn á þakinum máttu það Og ef að þú vilt bara sófa dilla þér með laginu máttu það En ef að þú vilt dansa eins og famaður í fæinu máttu það Dansum eins og hálfið dag Miklu betra að missa sig en missa það
And if you look right there, that's our Airbnb for the night. No Wi-Fi though.
Hristum okkur sig í takt Ef við tínum kúlinu þá sorry með það Dansum eins og hálfið dag Miklu betra
Hello everyone, my name is Brett. This is Flo. Welcome to the first episode of Does Flo Know? Where I ask Flo American slang and see if he knows what it means. Are you ready, Flo?
Yes, I'm ready. Go on.
Okay, the first word is finna. F-I-N-N-A.
No idea, mate.
I'll use it in a sentence.
Okay.
I'm finna see a waterfall. Any idea?
I'm so amazed. I'm interested in that.
Nope. I'm finna get some food.
I have no idea.
Finna means trying to.
Ah, okay.
Made famous by rappers.
Okay.
Next word is, it's actually a phrase. What are those?
What is this?
For example, officer, I got one question for you. What are those?
No.
What are those is used when someone has weird shoes on or ugly shoes, so you point down and go, what are those? Made famous by Vine.
Okay.
Phrase number 3. What is dabbing? The act of the dab.
Can you use a sentence?
When Cam Newton scores a touchdown, he dabs.
He's celebrating or something like that?
It is a celebration, but like, it's a type of celebration.
Okay.
It's like a dance move, kind of.
Okay. And what kind of dance move? What does he do?
So this is a dab, when you go like this. Looks like you just sneezed. That's
Okay.
all it is, just the dab.
Ah, okay, like the Usain Bolt one.
A little bit. Can you
Okay.
dab, Flo?
Wait.
Exactly. Yep, pretty good. Okay. 4th and final word for Just Flo No is, what does the word John mean? J-A-W-N. Look at that John over there. I'm gonna go get
Like
a John.
The douchebag? Is that what it is?
No, not douchebag. John, like that John, or I'm gonna go buy that John I needed.
No idea.
John means anything. It can literally be like, that's a John.
Okay.
That could be a John. It could literally be
It's
anything.
like a thing.
It's
Like
just a thing.
Yeah.
Noun. So that is a John.
Okay.
Not
Good.
bad. That was our first episode of Does Flo Know?
And he knew nothing.
He didn't know anything, but we're working on it. Stay tuned till next episode. Stay blessed.
See ya.
We made it to Sveitarfellargid Hornafjordur.
Yeah. Only 80 years ago.
Yeah, a few minutes ago we did a glacier lagoon. It was so awesome. Just look at it. It's over there. Here. Whoa.
Would you just?
We went there with a Zodiac boat, riding whole lagoon to the glacier. Just awesome and extreme, mate.
It is the end of day 3. We started here, drove all the way here to go on the Zodiac boat with all the glaciers, drove all the way back to about here. Tomorrow we hang out around here, drive all the way back here, here, see a secret lagoon, and stay here for the night.